Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another 12 by 24 black, white, and gold traveling paint kiss acrylic pour. So let's jump in and get started. I'm going to be using the Primal Flow pre-mixed ready to pour paints in shimmer black, titanium white, and ink and gold. And this is the piece I was talking about in my video on Friday. It's the sister that matches that acrylic pour that I did. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to go check it out. It's another 12 by 24 black, white, and gold traveling paint kiss pour. I will link it down below in the description and put an iCard right here. Just click that and it'll take you straight to the video. So these are just little 9-ounce cups, and for this one I didn't fill them up all the way. I want to say I used probably about 14 ounces of paint. So I'm just going to keep filling these up and then we'll be ready to pour. I'm going to add a little bit more white and then we'll be ready to start pouring. But check out how pretty that ink and gold is. It's my favorite gold. If you guys want to check out any of the Primal Flow pre-mix ready to pour paints, I'll link them down below in the description. So I'm just going in, as you can see, starting in the bottom left corner and then working my way up towards the top right. I poured a little bit too fast when I started this pour because you can see most of my paint is in the bottom left corner. So I'm just going to have to be mindful of that when I'm tilting because most of the weight of my paint is going to be on the bottom or kind of like the left side of the canvas, I guess. So I'm just going to add what was left in my cups to the corners here, and then we will start tilting and see what I can come up with. Oh, and check it out. There's a little heart that showed up. See it right there? There's a little black heart. I was like, oh, I love it. I always find hidden hearts in my art. So I always like to just like take note of it, I guess, whenever I find them. So I'm trying to really pay attention not to tilt too much off on the right side because I had a lot of paint on the left side, so I knew I was going to have to stretch it out quite a bit. And this one had quite a bit of gold, and since I ended up using less paint, I had to stretch my paint a little bit more on this one, and I ended up getting some cells, which was kind of interesting. They turned out really fun though. It wasn't like a crazy amount of cells, but you'll see them start to pop up once I get done tilting. I'm just about done. I'm going to move it back towards the middle a little bit here. And I had a little bit of a corner that didn't get enough paint on there, so I'm going to go in with the ink and gold straight from the bottle and just touch up that bottom left corner right there. Make sure all your edges are nice and covered. So it's looking pretty good. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Check it out. I think it turned out really fun. I'm liking those cells that popped up because there's just a few of them. There's not too many, which is nice. I didn't want them to kind of take over because I really like the lines that the traveling paint kiss technique will give you. And I got some fun branches on this one too, just like I did in my other video from Friday. So what I'm going to do is let this one dry for probably about a week, and then on a nice day I'm going to take it outside and spray it with 2 coats of this crystal clear Rust-Oleum enamel spray, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like hanging up on the wall. So here it is, all nice and dry. Check out that beautiful metallic from the ink and gold, and that gloss spray gives you a nice shine, gives you a nice sheen, I guess, to your painting, which is nice. I like sprays because varnishes, it's hard, brush strokes, it's kind of hard to avoid sometimes, at least for me it has been. But check it out. What do you guys think about this one? I think it turned out fun. It's got the cells. The other one, I didn't really have too many cells. The sister painting that I made last Friday, but the little cells popped up down here, and they grew a little bit as the painting was drying, so they got a little bit bigger in size. So I'll show you what it looks like hanging up next to the piece that I made on Friday as well. And here they are, side by side, hanging up on the wall. I think they look really nice together. Whenever I do diptych paintings, two paintings that go together, I like to kind of stagger them when I hang them on the wall. I don't like to hang them right even with each other. So I might move the one on the right up a little bit more. The painting on the right is the one we did today, and the one on the left is from Friday's video. If you guys haven't seen that one, be sure to go check it out. Let me know what you guys think about these ones down in the comments, and I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, go ahead and leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out. And if you guys like the traveling paint kiss technique, I have quite a few other pours doing this technique, so I'll link them down below in the description. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you on Wednesday for another video. Bye!